I've installed the heat shield up there, which was just a matter of lining up where the seat bolt holes go through, right under there, and then drilling 6 holes and screwing it in place. Next I'm able to put the muffler in place. Got a mount up there and a wood block back there. So the last thing to install that'll change the sound is this tailpipe. It's a bit tricky. I went to these bolts there and there. They go onto these special mounts, and you just get a nut that goes on top. So I got down a 1/2-inch nut because it looks like a 1/2 inch, but it didn't fit. It would go on like a 1/4 of a turn. So I figured out they put metric on these. I guess in China it's easier to get metric bolts than it is standard. I've got something new to knock my shins into here in the garage. I'm gonna have to be careful.